Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So I am at Aldi and I've got to get some food for Friday night. We're having some friends over and I'm going to pick up some things out of here, but I'm also going to pick up some preps because I'm going to be shopping for, what I want to say, inexpensive items. I know Jackson said we needed some green beans, and I still just feel like there's a need to be prepping things, not as what I was doing in the very beginning, which was just like going so hard because we have things in the house. But I don't think you can ever let up on your prep. So I think it's always a good practice to pick up something here, something there. So I'm shopping for Friday's dinner with our friends, but I'm also going to pick up preps. And the reason I'm shopping at Aldi is because you can get so much bang for your buck. I do have a list. And then I'm going to go to Food Lion, and see if I can find the meat, because I do normally get better meats at Food Lion than I do at any other store. I usually can just find a good bargain or a good deal. I may have enough time to slide into Harris Teeter, because I do have a couple more coupons that will get me some really inexpensive things that I can still continue to use for preps. But I'm going to grab my notebook and see what I can see. I have a list. I have a list of the things I need to get for Friday. I'm going to pick up toilet paper, paper towels, definitely from in here, because I didn't get that this week. It's been a couple weeks since I picked that up, and I want to make sure that we don't run out. So I'm going to pick those up. So I have $60. My plan is to use 40 in here and then 20 at Food Lion. So between the preps I'm picking up and all the things that, like I'm going to get some rice cauliflower. They have that in here, I know. So between the preps I'm getting and what I'm getting for Friday night, $40 is my budget for Aldi. So I'm going to run in. Face masks are required, so I will put my mask on. I do have my binder, my list, and the money that I'm going to spend. $40 is my total max in this store. And then whatever I don't spend here, if I have enough time, I will run over to Harris Teeter and see if I can find preps. Because what I'm doing is I'm prepping using coupons. I'm using my coupons to get the most money, to get the most bang for the money that I have. I don't have $1,000 to go shop at Sam's or Costco. I know it seems like I'm doing a lot of these prep videos, but they've been spaced out. You're just seeing them. You know, they're all been filmed. You're just seeing them, and it's been a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit there. And then again, I'm trying to prep when I'm doing my weekly grocery shops, so I'm picking up things. But we had 2 coupon friends send us coupons today, and then Jackson has been working on stuff in my coupons in my binder so that I do know what I have, which is helpful because it always helps me to save the most money to use my coupon. So anyway, heading into Aldi to pick up some things for Friday and see what preps I can find. All right, so here's my list. These are all the things that I have written down. Some things that I need to get, as Jackson said, green beans we didn't have. I want to look at some canned meat, toilet paper, paper towels, paper plates I know we need, and then I was going to look at spinach, eggs, cauli rice, and then those are my meat options. So even though I'm shopping for Friday night, I'm still checking my list for prep. Still checking the list to see what I can get. So I'm going to try to stick pretty heavily to the list. I'm not going to film a lot because it's just me today, and the camera will shake, so I don't want to make anybody sick, but I will kind of fill you in as I'm able. All right, I just wanted to stop here and show you guys that they are fully stocked with toilet paper and paper towels. Toilet paper, paper towels, but they still have the limit of 1. So limit 1 on anything you pick. And I think what they're doing is learning from the last time. It's like you gotta put a limit on stuff, because if you don't, people gonna roll up in here like they're crazy, which they did. So it's always good to be able to come and find what you need. I don't see any wipes, but I could be on the wrong aisle. So in my Aldi, the wipes are down here. Now this is not my regular Aldi. This is a different Aldi that I'm at right now. Seen Sarah's video from Our Tribe of Many where she shows you the big things of pretzels she has for her kids. She has a couple boxes of those. I was just passing this and thought of this. Now Sarah has 10 kids, so they would need that huge, gigantic box, you know, thing of pretzels. But for somebody like me with just 2 kids, I could pick up, you know, a couple of these little ones, and they have the honey wheat, and they have the rods. So I could pick up a couple of those. You know, if you don't have a Sam's or a Costco, don't go out and break the bank trying to, you know, buy Sam's and Costco. If you just have an Aldi or a Harris Teeter or a Food Line, wherever you are, just pick things in that store that you can, you know, get. One of the reasons I shop so very much at Harris Teeter is because I'm able to use my coupons, and my coupons make it so easy for me to get deals because I couldn't afford to do any stocking up. You know, we've been blessed. People have blessed us with different things, and that has helped us. But when I'm looking at doing it, you know, totally on my own, if it was not for, oh, see, Chile Limon. See, I need this in my life, but not for $3.49 because I could buy something else for that price. But when I'm doing it by myself, I have to take the steps I have to take, and coupons help me. Probably should have been looking at y'all while I was doing that talking, but I'm so busy trying to see what's happening in the store and keep my distance and stay away from people and get all the deals. But anyway, I'm gonna keep moving down. Jennifer over at the Family Fudge showed some candles that they had today, and so I'm gonna pick up a couple candles. And also in my Saturday ladies group, we're talking about creating a warm home environment, and so I'm going to use some candles in my illustration. So I'm going to pick up a couple from here. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm back from Aldi. I will find my notebook to see if I can go through anything that I did pick up as far as preps are concerned, which I did get some preps. Now remember, I went to the grocery store looking for my stuff for Friday for having some friends over. I am going to do a sausage and rice casserole. So I got cauliflower rice. So I got 3 of those at $1.89. So I'm using this for the meal on Friday. But I also picked up low carb tortillas. We could not find those at our store. They were $1.99. I picked up 2. So we're going to put this week's date on them and next week's date. Picked up 2 things of the 0 carb bread. We haven't been able to find that either at our store, but they had it, so I picked it up. They were $3.99 a piece. Picked up some of this spreadable, see, canola oil. I wasn't paying attention, but dang it. I'm gonna check. That's not clean keto at all. Well, it just says pasteurized butter derived from milk, canola oil. I'll scan it with Carb Manager. It's not the best. You know, everybody loves that, what is it? I forget the name, but you know what I'm talking about. Kerrygold, but that was way more expensive. So I picked up some coconut oil just to have in the pantry. Picked up heavy whipping cream. Now, the last couple of times, and I think one of my subscribers was looking out for me, that I've gotten heavy whipping cream from Aldi. The date was out, and I didn't notice. So I did look at the date today, and it says 9/27. It's the 3rd here now. So we should be okay on that. And we use it. We use about 1 of these a week. So it's $1.55. If you get it at Walmart or if you get it at like Harris Teeter, it's almost $4. So I picked up 2 things of hand soap for the bathroom. One is eucalyptus and one is blue poppy and peony. I love eucalyptus or the smell of anything mint. Grapes were 99 cents a pound. Picked those up for Jackson. Olive oil was $1.99. That's a prep. This juice, this peachy sparkling water, that's for a marinade for the pork chops. That was 59 cents. So preps, I picked up canned tuna, 68 cents. Mushrooms were 49 cents each. And then I picked up green beans. They were 38 cents. Though green beans were limits. I'm not sure. I don't think the tuna or the mushrooms were a limit, but green beans were. eggs were 48 cents a dozen. So I picked up 3. We're going to have deviled eggs for Friday night. So I picked up that. So this is for Friday night. Friday night, I'm going to use mushrooms for Friday night. Then for preps, I picked up 2 things of paper plates. So what I'm planning to do is just keep 2 paper plates always. So when we run out of what we have, I'll replace that, what we're using now. I'll replace that so that we always have paper plates. And I'm just going to try to get those from Aldi because they're really cheap, like $1 and some change. I picked up toilet paper. Had not picked up toilet paper in at least 3 to 4 weeks, maybe. So I do want to make sure that I get this and have it and keep it on hand. And then I also picked up paper towels. I have not picked up paper towels in a while. So I want to make sure that I had that as well. And then I saw Jennifer from the Family Fudge talk about these candles. She said they're the size of Bath and Body Works candles. That was her favorite one. No, she didn't like this one. She picked this one up, but she said her favorite one was like pumpkin, coconut, macaroons or something. I didn't get that one. I just got the pumpkin chai and the sweet pumpkin cake. And believe it or not, I don't even like pumpkin, but I needed some candles. I was going to go to Walmart, but I was already in Aldi to keep me from going to another store. I just picked those up. They were $3.99. And the candles at Walmart are $3.33. So I didn't lose a whole lot. So again, my budget was $60. I spent $64 at Aldi, right there. And I didn't get any of the meat that I needed for Friday. So what I decided to do is I had hair money that I was going to get my hair done, get my hair cut. So I'm not going to get my hair cut now. And I just added in the $20 I had for my hair money and went over to Food Lion and picked up these. So I got chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs for the people who want chicken. Picked up some of this New York extra sharp cheddar cheese. And then we picked up 3 packages of this boneless pork chop. We prefer bone-in pork chops, but these were cheaper. And then I got this peach nectarine to go with the other one. And I'm going to make a big citrus marinade for all of this meat for Friday night. And so that's what we're going to have. Because some people eat chicken and some people eat pork. And so we're going to just do it like that. And I spent $19.93 at Food Lion. So that's what I got for Friday night. Then I got preps here. So preps. And then we'll divide those between. Now, the way I'm going to handle my grocery budget is I'm going to pull out the prep money to make sure that I can spread it out and still have enough money for the next 3 weeks of groceries. So it'll all work out in the wash. I'm not going to get my hair cut. I'm just going to wash it and do it like I normally would and live my best life. I have a little bit of texturizer left that I can just run through it. That'll be perfectly fine. And then I'll get it cut in October. No problem. It'll be perfectly fine. So there it is. We're just still working on our prep slowly but surely. I do want to make sure that I have enough things within the next couple months. So I'm just doing slow by sure. I needed to go and pick up some stuff. And so there it is. That probably is about the equivalent of the first half of the month grocery haul. But again, I got child support. And so I picked up a few things extra. And that's just how I plan to do it. If I need anything extra, I'll just use some money for that. So that all worked out. It's all going to be well. And there it is. So we thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.